The pandemic felt like a time that would never end. It has, and now probably feels like an afterthought for so many.
Some are still wearing masks and some are still contracting the virus. It turns out at least one person in Columbus may have caught it years ago, still has it, and likely has no idea.
There's a person out there who's probably pretty sick and probably doesn't know why.
Researching COVID-19 in wastewaters, how Dr. Marc Johnson got to the bottom of this medical mystery.
I was just doing my job and I couldn't explain something, so I kept investigating until I figured it out, and it seems like there's a lot more going on than we know about.
This data from wastewater facilities in Columbus and Washington Courthouse revealed a rare case.
It is in the extreme end. It is among the longest and among the largest shedding that we've ever seen.
Dr. Johnson, a professor at the University of Missouri, compared it to samples from cities across the world dating back to 2020. He says it only makes sense one person's behind this and predicts that person lives in Columbus and works in Washington Courthouse.
The exact same lineage was showing up in two different sewer sheds, usually on the same day.
And this strange situation went viral on TikTok with more than 404,000 views of this video.
Scientists are trying to find a mysterious person in Columbus, Ohio who has a cryptic version of COVID.
Hundreds commented on the video. One person says, "Me living in Columbus with IBS. Hope it ain't me." Another wrote, "New fear unlocked." This TikToker says, "Well, that's a supervillain. I need to know their origin story, and I'd be so embarrassed if it was me."
This is nothing to panic about. There's probably only one person that has anything to worry about.
So they could be symptomatic or asymptomatic.
Yeah, it could be that they think they have IBD or Crohn's disease and it's actually something else. We're not trying to hunt them down. We're just trying to get the word out because, someone is in pretty bad shape, probably. I mean, in all likelihood, this is not a good thing. It has to be a massive infection for you to get this much virus shed.
Again, both Dr. Johnson and the Ohio Department of Health say this is not a threat to the public's health. Dr. Johnson tells me data from wastewater samples shows this person is not spreading the virus. If it sounds like that person is you, we have Dr. Johnson's contact information. Just look for this story on our website.